Kamiti ya bunge igie kigina kia muingi nethire na mbere guthurima mateta ma atwarithia bodaboda bururi-ini aria makoretwo makiheo ngombo ni kambuni itiganite cia kuheana ngombo niguo kugura nduthi ciao. Kuria muthi cemanirie na arugamiriria imwe ya kambuni cia WATU credit aria meteteire makiuga motungata mao makoragwo marongoreirio kunyitirira atwarithia ya bodaboda.
Mechanisms that we've put in place just to ensure that not only we are being responsible lenders, but also we are protecting these customers, because at the core of our business is to empower them to become successful entrepreneurs. Omwe wa mateta maria magomeire kambuni ici ni uheani wa ngombo cina thogora wa iguru wa marihi ma njoherera. Kambuni ya WATU IGITHUTHURIA yauga ngombo ciao itikoragwo na marihi mangi mahithireirwo noguo gitumigia kurihia njoherera cia iguru. It is not a flat rate interest rate, so it is not correct mathematically to say 8.7 times 12 because this is based on a reduced balance arrangement. If you factor the reduced balance element of it, usually it comes to around 4%.
We don't charge any other commissions and any other hidden fees, and we are giving the reduced balance figure.
Initial payment was 15,000. Loan processing fee was 18,500. So it's not correct when you say that the interest is high because there are no other fees. You actually have other fees. And this, for example, the loan application fee for this is actually sometime here in the contract 18,500 shillings. So I wanted to call you because that is not accurate.
Kambuni ino ni ikorire haceke thutha wa guthingiririo mataririe kiria gitumaga matahe nduthi cia andu na thengia wa gukorwo irihirwo mbeca makiria ma iria ibatie kwendio. Thutha wa amwe a atwarithia bodaboda ici aria megwikinyitie giikaro-ini giki kuga na matiheagwo mweke wa kugeria gwibanga riria macererwo kuriha ngombo ici.
Because if I go to the bank today and I get a loan to buy a vehicle, the vehicle is generally owned by me and the bank. Do you do the same?
At this point, customer is given an opportunity to return the asset if they say, well, I don't think I understood the terms and I don't think I want to proceed with the loan. And the only condition for them to do that is to return the asset back to us and they will receive a refund of their down payment.
Mateta magi kamiti ino ethurimira ni riboti ati kambuni ino ikoragwo na mutugo wa gutigwo na cabi imwe cia nduthi riria mahe mundu ngombo cia kugura nduthi. Undu uria makihuthira macini cia kuonania mithiire ya nduthi icio nio traka maciyukagia riria mundu acererwo ni kuriha. Noguo gutiga ene bodaboda ya na kigiriko.
If you take the truck, where do you take it to? Or you use it for another bike?
The borrower complete paying for the bike. Do they get the tracking device back?
We ask our customers to come to us so that we can remove the tracker, so that there is trust between us. Because if we don't remove the tracker from the asset, when something happened to this asset, there are a lot of allegations that say, WATU knows whereabouts of my bikes, I finished pay for this bike and the bike is gone.
Kambuni ingi igwetetwo na gukorwo ikiruta wira ta uyu wa kuheana ngombo cia kugura nduthi cia mogona M-Kopa igekinyia mbere ya kamiti ino kiumia giukite niguo nacio gwetetera kumana na mateta maya. Ngirivotera Kameme TV Kitogo Mohura Wagunya.